Okay, hi guys. So today we will be calibrating a Hobbywing Fusion. This is something that people have been asking me about. How do you calibrate it? What to do, etc., etc. Is it plug and play, and so on and so forth. So obviously, I thought I'd make a video so at least it's all explained in one video, so I don't have to keep on repeating the instructions to everyone. Okay. So for the first thing you will need is obviously the Hobbywing Fusion. So this what I have here is the 1800 kV. This comes with obviously the manual and some stickers. These stickers are for the program card. They tell the sequence of what to program. So you will only be needing this if you already have a program card. So, pero still, don't throw this away. And then a servo extension cable. Well, 3-pin extension cable. That's if maiksi masyado itong papunta sa receiver na wire. Okay. So, why do you need to calibrate? It's simple. Calibrating the Hobbywing Fusion basically tells the ESC hanggang saan yung throttle, hanggang saan yung reverse, at kung saan yung neutral. So it basically tells the ESC where neutral is, where the end point of the throttle is, and where the end point of the reverse is. So it doesn't, hindi siya sumobra, at alam niya kung saan siya naka-neutral. Okay. So I've simulated a setup here. Obviously, hindi to kotse. But I've simulated a setup here where this is plugged into the car. So it's plugged into a receiver. This is a Dumbo RC P6DC. I've also plugged in a Angry Snail 35 kilogram servo. So this will simulate the steering. Obviously, this is the motor and this is the battery. This is a 2S LiPo. Okay, so how do you go into calibration mode? You go into calibration mode by pressing this power button for at least around 6 or 7 seconds. Pag nakita nyo nagbi-blink na siya, ibig sabihin it's already in calibration mode. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so it's blinking, ha? Okay, I'll turn on the transmitter. Okay. So solid colors connected. You will hear that beeping sound. That beeping sound means you're in calibration mode. So what you need to do now is to confirm where neutral is. So ngayon, hindi natin ginagalaw yung trigger. That means it's in neutral. So what you do is, since you're already in neutral, you confirm neutral. So what do you do to confirm neutral? You press this button. Press it once lang. And it will go green. Yon. See? Okay, neutral na. Na-confirm na niya yung neutral. So what do you now need to do? You need to press the throttle. This basically now tells the ESC, okay, the throttle is up to this. So what do you need to do to tell the throttle that that the throttle trigger only goes up to this point? And let's press the button again. It'll go green. See? It beeped 2 times. That's it. Okay. So now you need to tell the ESC where the reverse is. Meaning, how far the reverse goes. So in our case, it's only up to here. So what we need to do now is to press the button again. See? You hear the 3 beeps and then that's it. Okay. And now it's confirmed. So now you will see, let's double check. If I pull the trigger, it rotates. And if I let go of the trigger, it stops because it's in neutral. So, remember the rotation. So, this is forward. And I let go, it's neutral. So, if I press reverse now, it goes the other way. See? And that's it. That is it. You've done calibrating your Hobbywing Fusion brushless motor. If there are any other settings you need, you will now be needing a program card. The program card looks like this. Okay, so this is what the program card looks like. Obviously, it's not powered on. And you connect this by plugging this servo lead into the endpoint here. You plug that in there. And once that's plugged in, iilaw to. This should light up. If it doesn't light up, then you just, unplug it and then turn it the other way. Sometimes nagkakamali kayo, wala namang kaso yun eh. Okay? So I guess that's it. Obviously, all of the instructions that I presented today, they're all in the manual. But obviously, you're watching this video because you don't read the manual. So, yun lang. I guess that's it. Thank you so much, guys. If this video helped you, please like. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.